खुद का दिमाग चला लो तो तू क्यों नहीं बदली बहन, मुझे पैसे देने हैं बस तेरी वजह से हुआ। मेहनत तो मैंने कहीं नहीं देखी, देन कहीं तो पहुंचोगे। इस तरफ एक ब्लॉग चल रहा है, उस तरफ एक स्टोरी टाइम। आई जस्ट वांटेड टू रिकॉर्ड बेटर करके आए होगे ऑफिस। Some decisions in your life are not easy, like most of them. So I just wanted to share how did I even reach to that point. So one day I got the message ki this event is there and you have to come there. And I was like, what? This is for real? How did this even happen? और मेरे साथ I was not able to believe. I was not able to process the whole thing. First of all, I was very excited. I got nervous at the same time. I mean, this was like the first time in my life that I ever got this kind of a message. And after that, like I have posted the blog about it, you can just check it out. After that, I messaged everyone, like the GC mates, then the editors, everyone, and I was like, "Is this for real, dude? Please tell me if you have ever gone there." So they were like, "This is real, dude. Don't worry, this is all real, and congratulations that you have been chosen among all." And I was like, "What really?" And I also contacted one girl, and she was like, "Dude, congratulations," because she has been in YTFF. She was like, "Wow, congratulations! You can go there if you want." And I was like, "What do you mean if you want? I really want. If what do you mean by if I want to go?" So she was like, "Yeah, you can go." And she also had a very amazing experience when she had went to YTFF. मेरे साथ ये हो गया कुछ भी, अब like कुछ भी, this can't be real. But then I went, and all the people there, they were so sweet. They were genuinely very kind, and I was like, wow, this is humanity. Not humanity, but wow, this is crazy. I love that. But I like the entire environment there. But then evening came, and I had to leave on the second day because I had my exams. Oh my god, this exams, half of the things that I am unable to get, like half of the things, and only when exams come, like half, no, like no, like even during exams there was so much of content to watch, there was so much of things to do, but now as the exams have ended there's nothing to do to it. There's absolutely nothing. I mean, how? But it's okay. Then दिल का पत्थर रखी, I have to come back home. And then yeah, I didn't attend the event on second day. But let me tell you, all my favorite influencers, all the people who I admire, take them as inspiration. All of them have came there. All of them had came there. And then I was checking reels. It was very regretful. But again, I didn't stop there. Okay, that feels very motivational, but वी ऑल नो कितना दुख होता है जब तुम्हें अपनी पसंदीदा चीज करनी नहीं मिलती. बट इट्स ओके नाउ, थिंग्स हैव पास्ट, years have passed, like it's been 2 years to it. And come on, like एक ही चीज लेके नहीं बैठ सकते. तो मैं वही कह रही हूँ तुम्हें, if you want to make any decision in your life, be it important, like obviously important only, all the decisions are important that can change so many things in your life and it can have so many huge consequences. तुम खुद की करो यार, खुद की मानो. Choose what is important. Like obviously, put everything is important. Choose according to yourself. Whatever you feel right, do it. Or if you don't know what to do, just go with the flow. Cause at the end कहीं तो पहुंचोगे. You won't be stuck at one thing. And please, दोस्तों से एडवाइस लेना तो बंद ही कर दो. Like you can take, go to everyone, ask them what to do, what to do, what to do. सबसे पूछो what to do, what to do, what to do, and then सबकी मिलकर एक एडवाइस फॉर्म करो. पर इंडिविजुअली किसी की एडवाइस मत फॉलो करना, बिकॉज इफ समथिंग बैड हैपेंस एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू विल गो टू देम एंड blame them कि तेरी एडवाइस ली थी मैंने, बस तेरी वजह से हुआ. Why to do that again? It will only create fights, it will only create quarrels, it will only create disturbance in your life. So it's okay if you just go with the flow और make your mind run. कभी तो खुद की सुन लो या फिर कभी तो खुद का दिमाग चला लो. It's not important for you to go where और just go with the flow, dude. क्या ही हो जाएगा, क्या ही हो जाएगा. And then something happens, you feel like क्यों हुआ, और देख लेंगे, but then you go like अब जो हो रहा है वो देख नहीं सकते. So but still yeah, you have to do it today or tomorrow, you have to do it. एंड बी योर सेल्फ एंड चेंज योर इन्वायरमेंट। तो फिर तुम्हें ये फील नहीं होगा कि दिस इज ह्यूमैनिटी, और यू विल नॉट फील लाइक कि यार इतनी काइंडनेस तो मैंने कभी नहीं महसूस की, या फिर इतनी काइंडनेस तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखी। यू शुड चेंज योर एनवायरनमेंट इफ यू फील लाइक दैट टू, कि यार इतनी काइंडनेस तो मैंने कहीं नहीं देखी, लाइक नई जगह जाने पर। So I felt that when I attended that event, and it was so good. It was really amazing. It was absolutely fantastic. So yeah, और उन लोगों से दूर रहो जो आते हैं तुम्हें पूछने या फिर बताने कि यार उसके साथ क्या हुआ, इसने तो वो किया, cause they will only come for entertainment. And the second you say that यार मुझे नहीं जानना, they will like बहुत बदल गई है तो तू क्यों नहीं बदली बहन या फिर भाई, तू भी बदल जा फॉर योर ओन गुड, तू भी बदल जा, अच्छा रहेगा। So yeah, I hope you follow my advice or you learn something from my experience. So first of all, change environment, and second of all, if you change environment, then don't feel regret कि यार मैंने उससे दोस्ती तोड़ ली, अब वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगी या फिर सोचेगा। Let them think whatever they want to do. Let them think whatever they want to do. Like, think yours, you do yours. अगर वो क्या सोचेंगे वो भी हम सोचेंगे तो फिर वो क्या सोचेंगे। Okay, being very ज्ञानी, but this is the truth of life. I hope you explore and get things settled. I hope you explore things in your life and do what feels right for you, and just don't do whatever comes कि यार चलो ये भी कर लेती हूँ वो भी कर लेती हूँ और फिर किसी में भी सक्सेस ना मिले। सो या वही करो जो तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हें करना चाहिए, और एल्स इट्स वेस्टेड पोटेंशियल, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन। सो या, और दुनिया में बहुत सारे लोग मिलेंगे यार फ्रेंड्स बनाने के लिए, जरूरत नहीं कि उसी को ही फ्रेंड्स बनाओ इसी को ही फ्रेंड बनाओ, मत करो ऐसा, बिकॉज दे विल पुल यू डाउन। पहले तो वो तुम्हें, अगर तुमने ये चीज़ उन्हें बताई कि यार मुझे तो ये ऐसा आया है, मजा हो गया, दे विल ऑल गो लाइक मत जा बहन मत जा, तेरे पैसे बर्बाद हो जाएंगे। क्यों भाई, तुझे पैसे देने हैं, तू पैसे दे रही है, नहीं तो फिर तुझे इतनी टेंशन क्यों है। गो विद पीपल हु पुश यू, यही हो जाएगा। अब पैसे खत्म हो जाएंगे, मैं दे दूंगी, लाइक दैट। आई नो ऐसे प्लान नहीं मिलते अब, ये लोगों की जो है, ये जो थे एक्सटिंक्ट हो गए हैं वैसे फ्रेंड्स, एक्सटिंक्ट हो गए वैसे फ्रेंड्स। लेकिन थोड़े तो अच्छे फ्रेंड्स ढूंढ लो बहन, थोड़े तो अच्छे फ्रेंड्स ढूंढ लो जो तुम्हें कहीं तो हेल्प करे, एक चीज़ तो नहीं दूसरी, या फिर तुम्हें ना वॉसी बना दे, ऐसे फ्रेंड्स भी मत ढूंढना। बट जस्ट फाइंड द फ्रेंड्स हु अगेन लाइक योर कंपनी एंड पुश यू, एंड तुम्हारे साथ कंटेंट बनाए, या फिर तुम्हें कहीं की ये एक्सप्लोर करते हैं वो एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। सो ऑल दैट ओके, आई होप यू विल टेक द एडवाइस। सो सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, बाय बाय।